Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How do you feel today? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah, and me too. All of you are welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Abir Hossain Khan, assistant teacher in mathematics at day shift of National Ideal English Version School. I'm gonna to take a mathematics class today for class 1. For class 1, and our topic is multiplication part 2. Our topic is multiplication part 2, which is included the half yearly syllabus, and our today's lecture is 22 and HW is 16. And you have to submit this HW. You have to submit this HW. Now, my dear students, let's just start our class. Look at the question 1. Here is 99 and 4. First of all, you look, 9 and 4 is 1's place and this 9 is 10's place. First of all, you have to multiply 4 and 9. My dear students, we know that the times tables of 4 9s are 36. 4 9s are 36. Here 6 is the 1's place and you have carry 3. Now 4 9s are 36 and 3. 36 plus 3. We know that 36 plus 3, 37, 38 and 39. So 9 is the 10th place and 3 is the 100th place. So my dear students, the answer is 396. Hope my dear students you understood this one. Now go to the next question. Here 58 times 7, 8 and 7 is 1's place, 5 is 10's place. So you have to multiply 7 and 8. Do you know 7 8s are? Yes, 7 8s are 56. 7 8s are 56. Here 6 will be here and you have carry 5. 5 7s are, do you know what is 5 7s are? 5 7s are 35 and 35 and add 5. 35 and 5, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. So here it will be 0 at 10's place and here it will be the 4. So the answer is 406. Now my dear students, go to the next question. Here 64 times 5, 64 and 5, 4 and 5 is the 1's place and 6 is the 10's place. Now multiply 4 and 5. You know that 5 4s are, what is 5 4s are? 5 4s are 20. So you have right here 0 and you have carry 2. 5 6 are 30 and plus 2. 30 plus 2, how it will be? 30 plus 2, it will be 32. So 2 is the 10th place and 3 is here. So the answer is 320. Hope my dear student you understood this one, and you have to submit HW number 1, number 2 and number 3. Practice at your home more and more. See you soon and till then, Allah Hafiz.